Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
What's up? Where's this from?
What is that?
Mom and Dad. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Is that a ridiculous amount of Squinkies?
This is big. Yeah.
What's that? Whoa, cool. Oh, erector sets.
8, 9.
Neato.
Thank you.
There are 9 in there?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
9.
9. Wow, that's a lot.
Oh wow, Mario Galaxy.
All right.
550 pieces? Hey, Kaden, this has 550
Okay, what'd you get?
pieces.
What is that?
Yeah.
It's a case.
Yay! Cases!
Come on.
I think that's a.
You
That's-
put your DS in,
I
huh?
think that's a 3DS.
No, s'mores.
No, it's a
Where did you
case.
go? Where's Colin? Are you actually opening up your stuff? What's going on?
This has 550 pieces. There's a lot.
Lana, what else you got, baby?
Only 2 wrapped. How can you only 2 wrapped?
Lana.
Another cake. Whoa. Colin, you got like 2
All right.
in the army?
It's a big tank. Holy moly.
Mommy,
One more, bud.
What'd you get?
It's yours, Kaden.
Is that a sack? Oh, it's a cool little light.
Apple light.
That's nice.
I got a lot of army stuff.
Okay, don't flip, buddy.
What'd you get?
Nintendo 3DS!
That's awesome.
Kaden, look at me.
This is huge!
Look at me one more time.
Oh my goodness, Colin.
Breathe.
That's
bud.
crazy.
Breathe.
Mommy, I got the light. Hey, Kaden, look how big this is. Kaden, look how big this is. Hey, Kaden, look how big this is. Thank you, Mom and
You're
Dad.
welcome, baby. Go put it. Okay.
Colin, I got a Nintendo 3DS. Good for you. You need some help? Are you okay? What?
It's in the box.
Don't hurt yourself trying not to smile.
Like I did when I was traveling too hard.
Yeah. He's trying not to smile. Look at him.
What's in there?
Icing car.
Lana, this is yours. So is this.
I got the big one.
Is that a giant truck?
How awesome is that?
Oh my gosh.
Is that a giant remote control truck?
It's huge.
That is awesome, dude. Did you drive that outside?
It is huge.
Alright, get your paper up, Colin.
I got the box.
Oh, Lana got a box for Christmas.
Now I got something in it.
Oh, there's something in the box. Are you sure?
Yeah?
So this one's open too, baby girl. Colin,
Can I have Colin? Can I?
Ooh, who's the mystery gift for?
you need to get your
All of us.
That's for all of you.
4?
All of you.
Oh,
Yes.
males?
No, Alana too.
Oh. Oh, how nice.
Oh.
What'd you get, Colin?
I got an Xbox 360 game and a Wii game.
The new designed Halo.
Oh, the new Halo.
What is that?
The renewed design Halo 1. Free
Not the
design.
I want you to get into this.
Awesome. What do you think, Colin? Look at me, buddy.
Did you just get that out of her?
Trying not to smile. Trying to keep it cool.
What is all that?
See?
What'd you get, baby girl?
Did you hear her?
Yes.
That's Alana.
Oh my goodness.
Lots of puppies and kitty cats. Look at all those.
And candy.
Holy moly.
And candy. Don't forget candy.
Are you gonna take it out? Okay.
Open sesame. Open sesame. Open sesame.
You use the magic words to get it out, son? Yeah, look, show me them guns, Colin. Show me those guns. Yeah.
Whoa, this is heavier than I thought.
Starting to come out. How do you get this open?
All right.
It just popped out like a gun. Hey, Daddy, I got it to pop out like a gun.
Those.
Boom! Boom!
You had to pop out like a gun, huh?
Yeah,
Must be them guns. Show me the muscles, Colin. Show me the muscles. Yeah. Woo!
Check out the gun show going on here. Boom! Boom!
Boom, boom, boom.
Give me your
Nice.
No, it actually did like
Give me your hand.
no, like that. It's like
You put that up so she doesn't.
Sure. Oh, is this the one that Colin got for her? What a beautiful ring Colin got for you. I'm gonna put it right over here, okay? Just so it doesn't get lost in the shuffle.
a ring for her too.
Didn't she get her ring?
Oh, Colin, did you hear what she said?
Mommy, I can't open this. I can't open
Mommy,
it.
are you gonna open the little box now?
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas. Are you gonna open the box, the little box?
Yes.